What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing tonight? Sorry about that. I had to get a few things set up. But we are about to rock and roll, guys. Give me 1 second. All right, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in for another exciting episode of Matt's Market. Hope everybody had an amazing day today, and I hope everybody made some good trades. How y'all doing out there tonight? What's up, Adam Wilburn? Smash that like button. Let's go. I appreciate you, buddy. Good to see you in the chat, man. What's going on, Rick? Good to see you, man. What's happening, Trey? Headline today. Well, let's touch base on the Robinhood IPO, because hopefully, if you're part of our Discord, you got the notification that I was telling everybody to stay away from it. And that alert was a little bit justified. You know, the price went down from $38, dropping $4.75 at the low of the day yesterday, and slowly recovering. It finished the day yesterday, $34.82. Let's see where it finished out today. But I was not touching this thing at all, guys. At least not right now. So made a little bit of bounce back. Still not retouching those highs of 38, but still a little bounce play right here at 33.25 would have been a pretty decent little swing trade right here, or maybe even long term. We'll have to see what happens. But it looks like we got a pretty big bounce up, and might look to consolidate right here, and we'll see what it does next week. But the charts look a little bullish on it, so we'll have to keep our eyes on that. But I just wanted to touch base on that Robinhood. Kind of tell you guys how I felt about that. Let me pull that chart back up. Yeah, guys, I'm not playing that Robinhood IPO at all. I'm staying away from it. They had quite a few things going on with Robinhood, so I'll be staying away from it. What's up, Crypto Zach? How's it going, man? So, man, I was doing some research on the Robinhood IPO. It made 35% of its IPO shares available to the retail users pre-IPO, which is the largest pre-IPO any retail ever being released. So, in my opinion, they want to keep the stock afloat from all the shorting, which I'm sure is to come when the options and puts are all out on the table, which they were calling for 30 days. But Robinhood is still up to its old ways, in my opinion. It's warning its users, if you sell its IPO shares within 30 days, they will be restricting you from buying shares in any IPO for 2 months. 2 freaking months, guys. Like, in my opinion, that statement right there goes to show you why it's important to stay away from a company that time after time tends to rip and punish its valued customers off. So that's one of the major reasons why I will not be touching it right now. But the best tool for Robinhood, you know, I think is to have their wallets come out. You know, that would be the biggest thing, and have a way you can use your crypto in their wallets. But you know, once the wallets come out, I predict, you know, anywhere from 65 to 75% of people retail holding crypto will remove their holdings, and I think that will honestly really hurt the stock. So we'll see how it plays out next couple weeks. Just have to keep an eye on it, but nonetheless, crypto's back on track. We got DogeCoin. It was above 21 cents before I hit the live button. We're testing that right now, but still looking very good, guys. If we go back to that 4-hour chart, we can see them lines I drew the last stream. We're still respecting that ascending level of support, so very bullish, guys. It looks really bullish. I know it's not taking off like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Even ADA 131 looking pretty good. So crypto's getting right back on track. I'm waiting for Doge to make a nice little pop. You know, even ADA, 0.46%. All coins are kind of lagging right now, but I really do think, you know, DogeCoin will be due for a good 4 or 5% pop come here shortly if everything continues the way it's going. Doge is not following Bitcoin, Zach. Yep, you're 100% correct, dude. Yeah, it's not good maybe for I think it'll be all right, man. I think it'll eventually start to creep up there. I think Doge will have a nice little pop come here shortly. Crypto Zach's asking if it should be at 23 cents. Yeah, man, I do think it'll pop up to around 22, 23 cents, possibly by tomorrow if we continue this really good trend that we've been on, man. Are you looking to actually get in right now, Zach, or are you still currently in your position? Let me know, brother. Let me see. I had this thing drawn up right here. So, other stock news. Let me hop over here. EIRP. No. Made some pretty good money on this today. It had a pretty good day. I ended up making about 70-80%. I set a buy order and absolutely popped up pretty freaking nice. So I think that thing is pretty much done with. I won't be touching it anymore, but it kind of did the same thing as Neuro did. Sorry, I was having some technical difficulties for a minute there when I first started the stream, so it kind of threw me off. But nah, man, I mean, DogeCoin's, dude, it's looking very healthy, man. This chart looks very, very super bullish, man. Dude says whales are shorting Bitcoin last 30 minutes. Let's pull it up and see what you're talking about, man. Have you been keeping track of your wallets, man? I can tell you who's really buying and selling, but dude, on the let's pull up the 4-hour chart. Man, that looks pretty healthy, man. I mean, look from 28 on 720 to here, man. That looks really healthy. Like, if it does have some pullback, I would like to see it bounce off at 39, continue to do its thing. But right now, it's looking very healthy. You got a lot of institutional buyers stepping into Bitcoin right now, man. Yep, you all good, Zach, man. We're just going to be here chilling, talking about some stocks, some crypto. Good to see Ethereum over 2450, which was a big level for us. So continue to trade right here. Let's pull the Ethereum chart. So Ethereum 2 looking super bullish, man. I mean, that is just a beautiful run right here. Very good to see it back up in the 2465 range. 2450 was a big range for Ethereum. I'm gonna pop some more lines here in a few, kind of touch base to see once it does have a little pullback, we'll see where we'll think it will be heading to. But DogeCoin right now, I think Doge is setting up for a nice little pop come here shortly, guys. I really do. I mean, that ascending level of support we got right here, it's respecting it to a T. So if we do see a little pullback, I would think it'd be around 2043. Continue to bounce, continue to bounce. I'll extend this line as we continue getting further and further away. But as long as we continue this little bullish trend we're on right here, it's looking very good, guys. Very, very good. Yeah, Rick, the whales control the market, man. That's just the way it's been happening to us lately. But I'm still convinced that we'll be seeing DogeCoin back 25, 30 cents come shortly, man. I really do. And I'm investing as such, man, because when crypto goes to rocket, dude, I mean, we saw how fast Bitcoin just jumped right back above 40,000. So I'm expecting a little pullback come here shortly. I mean, the weekends tend to be pretty bad for crypto, but we're not seeing it this weekend yet. I mean, it's just the beginning. It's Friday night. I would like to see Bitcoin stay above 39,000 if we pull back that far to that level right now. That'd be a major level of support. I'd even have to argue you'll hit lines before then, but 39 is the major level for the ascending level of support that I'm seeing on my charts that I'd like to see Bitcoin stay above. So we'll just have to see what unfolds through the weekend. I currently am buying more DogeCoin whenever I can right now. Just kind of add to my portfolio while it's still pretty cheap. But I think it's due for like a little bounce come here shortly. But what Zach said earlier, yeah, I mean, if it was following Bitcoin to a T, you'd probably see Dogecoin over 25, in between 25 and 28 cents right now. But it's not. So all you can do is just continue to look at the charts, read the news. No real news out, guys. I mean, it's basically a waiting game at this point to see what's going on with the markets. But I think having Bitcoin above 40 is very good news for us in the short intermediate term. I know the altcoins aren't specifically following it, up 5%, up 6% a day. But it's going to come, guys. People are going to get excited about crypto when they start seeing Bitcoin back around 45,000, I believe. And but the institutions are loading up right now. So just be prepared for it. It's coming. We'll have a pretty good, decent run to come this year. And that's currently all I'm waiting for right now. It's just a big waiting game. What's happening, Ernesto? Good to see you, buddy. Man, that food you posted in the Discord, man, that looked absolutely delicious. I know you said it wasn't that good, but it looked pretty good to me, man. What's happening, KC? What's up? What's up? Hope you're having a good weekend, brother. Ernesto says, I bought a little more Doge today. My boy was like, I'll buy $50 if you buy 50. I was like, bet. Good deal, man. He'll treat you well, brother. So, Ernesto, did that actually put your average going up, or did that put you going down? Because I forgot where you're in at right now, man. Rick Cogwell, we need Dogecoin to correct back to Bitcoin. It would be nice, my friend. Really would be nice, being that, Bitcoin dragged the whole market down and kind of took off without the rest of the altcoins. It would be nice to see it, man. It really would. But, we're not seeing it. But what I'm telling you right here, man, is the charts right here, since we hit that bottom of 1601 that last time, it looks really bullish, man. I mean, the RSI right now on the 4-hour, that's what I typically like to look at the charts for to read my trends. Currently at 56, so somewhere in the middle of overbought and oversold. So some would argue a little bit on the higher end, but the charts look very bullish, man. If we can continue this trend, I think we'll have Dogecoin back to where we all expecting it to in the next couple, month or two. I think we'll end up, trying to go retest some 50 cent range, man. It's coming. It can happen really quick, guys. Really can. What's happening, Jen? Happy Friday. Hopefully you got you some rest and your family's doing well. Good to see you, though. KC. Thanks for tuning in while you're at the club, my brother. Make sure you're safe out there, man. My big position is on Hood at 45 cents. So is that where you actually bought the extra Doge that you purchased today, man? Let me know. Because if you bought at 20 cents, I mean, had to bring your average down a little bit. Even, $50 here, $50 there. Better than nothing, man. I do think Doge is setting up for like a little technical breakout, guys. I mean, the chart, ever since the 20th, it looks really bullish, man. It really does. And this was back when we were streaming that night. I was like, man, it looks like it's ready to rip up for another technical breakout. Came back down. We're consolidating really well. I think we'll get ready for another rip up. Hopefully back to 23, 24 cents come shortly, guys. So if you'd have bought that 17 cent dip, 16 cent, you'd be sitting mighty pretty right now, my friends. Alan Jen, a little bit of rest, but things are looking up. Good, good. Glad to hear that. I really am. Hope everything's going well for you and your father. And the market is going up and looking even better. yeah, I mean, it's a good time to be excited about crypto right now, guys, especially DogeCoin. I mean, it's not moving with Bitcoin, but I don't think it'll be far behind. You keep getting Bitcoin pushing 42, 43, 44,000. You'll definitely see Dogecoin receptive to that move. I think you'll see 23, 24, possibly 25. I think we have 25 incoming. So if you were to buy 20.87 right now, I mean, even that to 25 cents is a good swing trade if we get rejected. So just keep that in mind. If we continue to ride that ascending level of support, get a nice bounce up, I think we'll be looking mighty fine, my friends. Hopefully Bitcoin will continue to trend for the rest of the weekend and, get up there, start pushing for 42, 43, 44. That'd be a pretty nice weekend. We end 44 Bitcoin. I think you'll definitely see 25-cent Dogecoin. Now, I bought it on Coinbase, and it put me in the money. I might throw another 100. I got you, dude. So it put you green already, huh? Good deal, man. KC said I did pick up 100 on Doge today, though. Awesome, man. Yeah, I picked up a little bit too myself, just because the way Bitcoin's moving, the way the charts are looking. My Ethereum's looking pretty good too right now. I was a little worried about Ethereum for a while, especially when we kept testing that $1,700 range. I was kind of concerned about it dropping further, so I didn't necessarily reload the boat down there. Now I'm kind of regretting it. I knew Ethereum wouldn't stay down long, but let's see where everything goes, man. We finally got Bitcoin back in a healthy position to where it could take off at any moment. So especially ADA. ADA has smart contracts about to be released toward the end of the summer. ADA is due for a nice little pop. So you could coincide that with, I think the month of August will be good, very good for crypto. I really do. Rick, what is Bitcoin's next strong resistance? Let's check out the charts, man. We'll pop that up real quick. I think I still got some lines. Let me see. See if I can get some lines popped right here. Give me 1 second, Rick. I'd say 43, 850 is the next major level, dude. Somewhere within that range. I don't have all them lines quite pinpoint. Popping lines on a stream is not exactly the best thing to do. I could probably, I think I can move it. I would have to say about 43.4, man. 43.4 is what it's looking like. So we're getting close to testing that, man. So we'll have to see where it goes. We did hit 42.413. We did break this top right here, which is very good. I hope we don't pull back too much. So I'm looking at that 39,000 resistance that we absolutely ripped through right here. So it could definitely do it again, man. I mean, it just depends on the institutional buyers right now. You could easily rip through this level of resistance right here and be back in the 43 range very quickly, man. So that's some levels to look for. If we get rejected, I look for a hold at 39.9. And if we continue to hold that, it's going to look very bullish for the week ahead with Bitcoin, man. Let me pop that down real quick. Rick, you have some Bitcoin, man? Let me know. Ooh, Jen says that free coin on Coinbase is pretty awesome. I didn't look to see what coins they were giving away. I know most of the time you can go do like their little learning videos about the coins and actually get some free crypto. I'm gonna have to go check out and see what they're actually giving away. So if you know, please let me know in the chat. Ernesto said all the free coins I got from Coinbase, like in total, I probably had close to $100. Took it and spread it between Algo, Amp, and Doge. Yeah, man, I don't think I ended up holding everything they gave me. I do all them little videos, just take a minute or two, try to learn about their crypto and stuff. It's pretty cool. I tend to do it just to get some free crypto, man. Why not? You can earn $10 in AMP just for doing 3 videos. Yeah, it's 10 bucks for a couple minutes. Oh, I got you, KC. Well, I got free Bitcoin and AMP, so I'm not complaining. Yes, I would not complain myself either. I like me some AMP, and y'all guys heard me talk about AMP a little bit. It's the PayPal of crypto. I met the Empire community, and them guys are really, really cool. Really opened my eyes to investing into AMP. I think that's one that's due for a nice little rip. So we'll have to see what goes on with that. Rick says Bitcoin, Doge, and Anchor. I got you, man. Dang, man, how many Bitcoin do you have? How much Bitcoin do you have? I'm seeing what Jen just put in Discord. Got some Barn Bridge. Let me check it real quick. I'm gonna tell you guys, is that everything you got from Coinbase? Let me take a look. Let's see what they got cooking on Coinbase for free. Free. Earn $1 in Balancer, 1 minute video. Earn $1 in Balancer. So that's all I'm seeing right now. Earn $3 in Balancer. Which probably after I hop off the stream before I go to sleep, I will have $3 in Balancer. And look to get rid of that. Let me see this real quick. Harvest Finance coin is up 21% on the day, which is pretty cool. Link up 10%, REN up 10%. So they had a couple movers today. I mean, Bitcoin up 4.5%. That's pretty good for the day. That's really good for the day, guys. So I'm sorry I didn't stream last night, guys. I got caught up. It's been a really busy week. I've been working out of town, so it's been pretty rough. But nonetheless, I'm happy to be back on the stream with y'all, rocking. I'm glad to see Bitcoin doing good. I think DogeCoin's due for a good little pop coming here shortly. And Ethereum, ADA, all the crypto, it's looking very healthy right now. Rick's got 2 Bitcoins, dude. Check you out, man. That's awesome, brother. A lot of whales calling for 100K Bitcoin this year, man. I'm even hearing bigger numbers. It's very possible. Very, very possible. But I'm hearing bigger than 100K. I'm being a little conservative with my prediction. I think you'll see 100K Bitcoin. And you'll be sitting on 200 grand, my friend, I believe. Nesto says the only videos I watched was AMP. Yeah, I watched some little videos too, man. The other ones I just kind of scroll through and pick the answers. So I think AMP was the only one I watched, man. Yes, very nice way to make some free money last night. I do them free videos anyway, anytime they put them up there. Did anybody apply for the Coinbase card? Ernesto, I think you told me you had it on the way. Did it eventually end up showing up for you? Let me know, man, because that thing is a wait. I think the wait list is, somewhere around 1 to 3 months. It took me about a month to get the one I got, but I know people have been waiting. I done read the reviews. Some people waiting 4 or 5 months for it. watched the Stellar one because honestly it makes my job easier. And Jen says she's on the wait list right now. Well, hopefully it doesn't take you 3-4 months like some of these people I'm hearing it takes. I think Ernesto got his pretty quickly. Not exactly sure. Maybe he can tell you how long it took him for his process. But mine took about a month, and I started earning XLM immediately, 4%. Or you can opt to get 1% Bitcoin if you're Rick and continue adding to your Bitcoin portfolio. RW, what's going on, man? Hey, Matt, how's it going? I applied for the card and got it. Haven't used it yet, though. Awesome, man. As long as you have it, that is a great way to add to your crypto portfolio, man. I'm really happy you decided to go ahead and do that. And I know I preach it a lot, guys. I do not get nothing from Coinbase for telling you about it. I just want people who are going to pay their house note and car note every month just to keep adding to their position because it's a good thing to do, man. It really is. I mean, if you're holding your Doge long term, you can go to KuCoin and get like 7% for staking, for holding your Doge over there. So there's a bunch of different ways you can, take advantage of the bad times by earning percentages, getting more coins when things are low. See, XLM is like trading around 25 cents right now. So if I'm buying and buying and buying and buying at 25 cents and I see XLM, the next bull cycle probably end up around 75 cents to $1. Who knows? It might even blow past the buck. You'll be sitting on way more than 4% of what you've been buying and accumulating with. So very good to have. I've been hearing by end of year 100K Bitcoin, 105 to 120 Doge, 480 to $5 ADA. Yeah, man, I've been hearing all them prices. Like a lot of people are expecting these this bull cycle to finish off pretty decent for the rest of the year, Ernesto. So that's what I'm saying, dude. If you're adding now, man, you'll be looking pretty nice toward the end of the year. And there's a lot of people predicting that the markets are going to go down. There's a lot of stuff going on, especially with I don't really too much want to get into all the politics on the channel, but there's a bunch of political stuff going on in the world right now that everybody needs to pay attention to. But I think there'll be one more good bull cycle to finish out the year on crypto and stocks. But there's a lot of people predicting, stocks could, the market could, look to recess, anywhere between 30-40%, So I think toward the end of the year, after this bull cycle's finished with, I'm gonna completely step out of my plays and look to buy back in once we enter like a little crypto winter. And you guys will see what I'm talking about. It be a period where there's not much action, where you get 5%, you take it and you run. That's gonna be it's gonna happen for a little while, guys, and it is coming. Like the bear market will happen one day. Everything doesn't just go up all the time. So it's very important to pay attention to the news, the politics, any FUD out there, because it can greatly affect your investment. So Ernesto says, I got the digital one and I used it yesterday on Amazon, and it says my actual one has been shipped. So it took 3 weeks to get accepted for the Coinbase card. There you go, Jen. I know a lot of people saying on the webpage they've been waiting 3 to 6 months. That wasn't the case for me. It took about a month. So it took Ernesto about 3 weeks, close to a month. So you could say a month to be safe, and then you can start paying all your bills with it. Algo is treating me good with the 4% APY. I done made more on Algo than my money was in the savings account. I got you, man. It's good to hear, Ernesto. I just looked at my current positions, and yeah, I didn't pay for half of it with the freebies. So I was looking at something, but nonetheless, I'd really like to see DogeCoin make a little pop here, guys. I'm sure as everybody else would, but we're consolidating right now, looking for another leg up. I think we'll end up pulling back to somewhere within a little bit lower 20-cent range before we start to take off again. But things can change in the snap of a finger, guys. Really can. Let me see what Jen just posted in the Discord. Let me see. Oh, okay, that last statement makes sense now. I got you. So did anybody FOMO into any plays today in the stock market? 'Cause we do trade stocks here too. I'm just mainly trying to transition to crypto more because stocks are not to say crypto's not manipulated, but the stock market is heavily manipulated, guys. It just really is. And crypto's starting to get that way when you get all these big institutions jumping in. So yeah, no, it's not that. I know I'm free to give my own opinion. I just don't want to go down the political route on the channel. I like to keep it political free, religion free, all that good stuff. Like I just too much cause for controversy. But there is stuff that is going on with the government that you really need to pay attention to. Like, for instance, I can drop the infrastructure package. Once that gets approved, you can look at ChargePoint, you can look at Rail, you can look at a bunch of different recovery plays for that package that will probably boom, and you can invest in that now and probably make some pretty decent tendies. Like ChargePoint, I think will absolutely pop. I think there'll be a section just for charging stations in the infrastructure package. Rail's another one. That thing is going to absolutely explode. Just the news that they were working on the infrastructure bill, Rail actually absolutely took off. So I'll make a whole list. I'll post it in the Discord tomorrow. All the infrastructure plays that I think will do really well. And if y'all know of some, make sure to drop it down in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your opinion on everything. So yeah, your options. Let me take a look one more time. I like the ADT ones. Very cool. Yeah, I got some Mavis calls for August. I think those will treat me pretty well. No, September. I'm sorry, September. I got some $20 Mavis calls, which I didn't even see where Mavis did today. Let me pop that up real quick, guys. MVIS, 13 bucks. It's got to be due for a pop soon, guys. Got to be due for a pop. Really getting beat down though. You got pretty strong support at $12.50. So if it goes any lower, I think $12.50, I'll probably end up buying some shares outright on Mavis. So that thing is just waiting for some news to pop. Also picked up a couple of shares of Tesla today. I think you can get a little bit cheaper than what I got it at, but let's see where it finished out the day. 687. So I bought somewhere around 670. I think my average was 673. So I think you can get a little bit cheaper, guys. I just ended up hopping in because I think it's be some good long-term hold. So I think you'll be looking at $2,000 Tesla the next couple years. So that's what I'm investing that for. So, but I just want to be transparent, let y'all guys know I picked up a couple of Tesla shares today. We get back to the 5-minute chart on Doge. Pull the chat back up. Rick says Fox News talked about big companies looking to use cryptocurrencies. I didn't see the specific article or video you're talking about. So if you could let me know what cryptocurrencies they were, what companies they were actually talking about, that'd be awesome. We're still waiting on the Tesla news. I think even Amazon and Apple would be great contributors to really getting crypto really rolling. But that news right now is, not coming out. The Amazon news leaked, as we all know, and it kind of came out with a statement saying, "Hey, we're not looking at cryptocurrency." So, just that news is all fake. Well, they opened a job application for it for a reason. They've been looking at crypto for years, guys. I've been reading some articles that would really open you up to see that Amazon has been testing and looking to get into crypto for a long time. Now Jeff Bezos is gone, I do think it will happen. It's just when. The news that leaked, they were looking for 2022 into 2022. So, it's still over a year out. So we just have to see. But if you could, Rick, let me know what companies they were talking about on the news, man. I did not see that. Dude, Bear is a beast, man. He posts a lot of stuff in the Discord, man. You must sit back and just watch the charts all day and just he'll tell you what's popping, which is really cool, man. Because when I'm at work, I can't play on my phone. I get the little alerts on my watch. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. MAD just has some big green candles. Like, it's good information to know. So, no, I greatly appreciate Bear, man. I haven't seen him tonight, but I need to holla at him. Which was a free one, Jen? Yeah, anything Mavis 13 under $13 is a pretty good buy, man. I mean, 12 you could. Mondays are usually pretty good for Mavis, so you might see a 4 or 5% gain on Mavis come Monday. I don't think it'll go to touch 1250 on Monday. It's possible. But I think Monday might be a little green day for Mavis. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. But like I said, I got the Mavis calls for September. And I think I'll make some pretty good tendies on that because I think it's due for a pop. Yeah, Bear's great about really pushing out all the information throughout the day. I talked to him about possibly doing some broadcasting for the stock market during the day. And that way we can keep the stream up, try to get some more traffic coming through here. Plus, then I can handle the cryptocurrency at night. And that'd pretty much wrap up our day. I'm not looking to go 24/7, but I like to cover the stock market during the day. I think he doesn't go to work until about 4:30. So that put me, I get home about 4:30 most days. So we could transition from aftermarket to crypto. So that's the avenue I'm looking at, guys. There's a bunch of different changes I'm about to make come here shortly. So I'll keep everybody in the loop and let you know what's going on. Yep, you already know Ernesto. The dude's on beast mode, man. So guys, did y'all FOMO into anything? Like I said, I bought some ERYP, whatever it was today. Made some pretty good tendies on that. I won't be touching that. I saw it stall out. I ended up selling. I just kind of saw what Neuro did, and I thought it was going to be another Neuro, and it didn't run as hard as Neuro did on the second day, but still made some pretty good tendies on that. So I think that's very interesting. All the pharmaceutical companies that have those big run-ups in the aftermarket hours, and you see, that's what's messed up about it, because like those things don't immediately start running till aftermarket, like right after the bell, and then they'll take off. But you see, all the insiders already have the information. Like the retail doesn't know that Neuro's about to pop, and they just got approved for FDA approval. So you kind of find out after all the big investors are already in it, and then you kind of playing with fire up there. So still, you could have made good money on Neuro the second day it ran. It ran like 200% the second day. So you just have to be careful with them. But those pharmaceutical companies that run in the aftermarket, like say it runs 130, 150%, possibly 200% aftermarket, the following day tends to be really good to it as well, at least up until market open. Like if you can wake up early, pre-market for me is 4 a.m. Central. So I could wake up at 4, purchase some shares of that stock, and there's a good chance that it can run up another 80, 100% before the market even opens, and then see what it does from there. But usually right when the bell hits, that's when I'm looking to hop out. So oh yeah, the 2 free stocks you got from ADT. I got some free ADT too when I signed up with Webull. Actually got quite a few shares when I did that. Plus, if y'all looking to get with Webull, I got a link in the description below. Great trading platform, really is. I highly recommend it. The charts are second to none. especially for your phones. Like if I'm looking to make a trade for lunch or something like that, I can pull up the charts on the phone. Really easy to pop lines, look at trend lines, see your support resistance. See with Robinhood, you just get like this little green line. You can't really pop. You can't really get the candlesticks and all that stuff. I just don't like the Robinhood setup. I really don't. I don't like Robinhood at all, to be honest with y'all. I hope the stock fails. I mean, it's just how I feel about it. And I won't be touching it, man. I won't be. That thing is a ticking time bomb. And just from seeing what happened with GameStop and AMC, I won't be touching it. Plus, like, why would you punish your customers if they sell their shares of your IPO and not let you buy another IPO for 2 months? Like, that's a form of, like saying, hey, we're going to punish you if you sell these shares. Like, we're offering it to you out the kindness of our heart early. Nah, man, I'm not with that, dude. Either you let them buy it. If you buy something, you should be able to sell it. That's just how I feel about it. So hopefully they release the wallets and I can get my crypto out and be 100% done with them. And, I won't be looking back once that happens. So, Jen says, nah, not today. Yeah, it wasn't much going on today. Really wasn't. I didn't see where AMC ended up at. Ooh, so 37.02 down slightly on the day. Looks like they were probably trying to fight us for them $37 call options. 37.34 in the aftermarket up a little bit. So pretty much sideways for the day. GameStop down 2% too, up very, very slightly. Metamaterials. This is a controversial stock, guys. That look, I don't know where this thing's going. I hear a bunch of reports about, it could fail, go down to, even today I heard anywhere between $1 and 50 cents. I don't know. Let me type that up. I was looking to pick up metamaterials somewhere around. We got strong support at $3.22. So I think it'll eventually go back to retest $3.22 and look to see if we hold that. If we don't, your next level of support on metamaterials is somewhere around $3. There's still a lot of questions, lots of questions, like what the company is going to do. I know they have a boatload of money on hand. There's just no telling what the company is actually going to do with all that money. So I think they will blow the lid off some stuff when they start releasing, what they're doing with everything, and once the dividend stuff gets sorted out. I think MAC could be definitely due for a low pop, guys. I'm being cheap with it. I really am. If I can pick it up in the $2 range somewhere, I'd feel comfortable about it because there'd be less downside, I believe. I'd have to watch it get in the $2 range, $2.75 to $2 range, and then see it bounce pretty good for me to, even look to get invested in it. But I might pick up 1,000 shares if it gets somewhere in the $2 range. Yep, Jen says I'm over them and I want my stuff out. I am with you, Jen. I want my stuff out too. I really do. I got screwed over twice by Robinhood, and I'm just completely done with them, to be quite honest with you. I really am. Let's hop back over to the crypto charts. So, guys, right now, our next level to get over, and this will be a good example. Let me pop this right here. 2143. So, say we get a bust above 2143. Let me show y'all this. No. I'll move my stuff down. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Technical difficulty. Get back to the 4-hour chart. So guys, a break above this level right here, and you can see we got rejected here. Boom. Got rejected here. Boom. So you can say 2143 is a pretty good point. So if you see a break over 2143, you could easily hop back up to, I would have to say, 2225. It would go up pretty quick from there. I don't think you'll catch much in the way. I think you'll easily pop back up into the mid 22s, possibly a retest of 23. What we saw right here, 23.26. So just keep an eye on that. Like if you're up tonight, you're watching the charts, and you see a hard break above this level right here, which that ascending level of support, you know, say we dip a little bit, I think by tomorrow we'll get a test of this level at 2143, if not tonight, and look to get a hard break. Once you get that hard break, you'll see it run up. You'll have a real hard push to get you to, I think 2228, 2230 immediately. So you can immediately hop on that. I would feel very comfortable if I see this break and I catch it in real time. That'd be a great swing trade right there, guys. So just keep a real close eye on it. But as of right now, on the 4-hour chart, the RSI is 55, so it's cooling off. We had that pretty good run up right here where it bust through the upper bands, way overbought, came back down, trading sideways. I think we're due for another pop, guys, especially with Bitcoin the way it's acting. Just keep your eyes on it. So let's go over the Ethereum charts real quick. Tell you what, I'm gonna just pop it on here because I don't have my stuff set up correctly. So Ethereum looking beautiful, guys. This is beautiful, beautiful growth. So now that we're back within this range, that 2280, you saw it. We had a nice little pop, stayed above it, came back down, broke above it. Been ascending level of support ever since. So I do think it's looking very, very good, guys. Our next major level for Ethereum is 2634. Let me zoom out just to make sure. Yes, and you can see it here, guys. You see these tops right here, these major levels. That's where I think we're heading to in the short term. I think we'll end up going back to retest 26 come here shortly. That'd be a big test. Big test right there. If we get rejected there, hopefully we'll stay within this channel, which is a pretty wide channel. We're testing a level right here. We just broke above it. Let me pop that right there because we do have some support right there. Because guys, remember, once you break through resistance, it then becomes support. So let's hopefully we can continue to trend upwards on Ethereum. But the way the charts look, they look very bullish. I think we'll go up to retest 2600 come very shortly. So I'll be looking for a rejection at that point. Mrs. Postal, first time listening live, love it. Hey, thank you very much, Mrs. Postal. Thank you for that super chat. Appreciate that. What's up, Daniel? How you doing, brother? What's up, you all? Man, I hope you've been good, dude. I haven't seen you in a little bit. I didn't stream quite as much this week. Like I said, it's been kind of crazy with work, but good to see you in the chat, man. I hope you're making some nice tendies, man. I'm gonna have to check on your Matic and see what that's doing, man. ADA is good, is going to do good. I think the big bull is coming. We are due for a run. I honestly do believe that, Daniel. And dude, ADA, they have the smart contracts coming out into summer, man. So when they finally get released and we figure out what's inside those details, man, I think ADA is due for a nice bull run this year, dude. ADA is gonna absolutely explode, y'all. And we're going to watch it live. I think ADA is going to be the next one to absolutely rip off, man. And that's going to be exciting because we've been talking about ADA since the beginning of the last bull cycle when Snowman came on and kind of opened me up to ADA. And, you know, I purchased some at $1. And even throughout this major dip we saw off this last bull cycle, I'm still green, guys. So I'm super bullish about ADA. Awesome, man. You're on vacation? That's cool, man. Yeah, we went to the beach a couple weeks ago. Had a real good time, man. Well, where'd y'all end up going on vacation, man? Let me know. Mrs. Postal, is Odie Fro still on the mic over there at Bulldog Trading? And guys, if you're looking for me during the day, you can most likely find me on Bulldog Trading. Very cool community. Make sure to check them out. Very cool group of people. Just go in there, tell them you're from Matt's Market, drop a pineapple joke, and they will accept you as family. Promise you that. Yeah, as soon as I hop off here, I'm say I'm listening to you both. That's cool. That's really cool. Does GP have his phone with him? Because I haven't seen him at all today. He must be boogie boarding it up. Either that or he's drunk too many Coors Lights and his neck is sideways in a chair. We do not know. So there y'all got it. There y'all go, guys. We got Bitcoin. Pull back up the chart real quick. Next major level of resistance I'm seeing is 43,350. I think that'll be a major level, major test point for Bitcoin. And if we break through that, guys, I don't see nothing stopping it from going back to 45. So that's the break. That's the major break you're going to want to look for. And you'll see DogeCoin back 25, 27 cents if we get back to that 45, 46 level. And that's going to look very bullish in the short term. Look at my Matic. Yeah, I'll pull it up real quick for you, bro. See what's going on in the world of Matic. I wish they had it on Webull, man, but I think I'll eventually get there. Currently sitting at $1.05. Pretty much, having some nice little pops, but pretty much trading sideways right now. For Matic, man, I'm looking for that pop over 110 right here, or actually it hit a little bit higher, 113. That pop over 113. Let's see where we at. Could bring you some nice attendees, my friend. I think that can get you easily back in that 130, 140 range. No, thank you. I do not want that. No, thank you. I do not want that. I hate when them little ads pop up, man. So yeah, major level, dude. I'd be looking for that pop over 113 on Matic, dude. I think that'd be an awesome swing trade for you, man. Same thing with Doge. That level right here. I hate when my charts do that. DogeCoin. That level of 2143, guys. Look, we got rejected here, got rejected here, got rejected here. We had the bust through, but that wasn't didn't fulfill itself. That was just a major pop and major selling off. That was probably a whale right here, just making some quick bucks real quick. Maybe some weekend change, who knows? But that major level we're seeing right now is 2143. And guys, anytime you can line up more than 3 touch points, which if you go further back, you definitely can. But I'm seeing 1, 2, 3 rejected. And once you get rejected on that, you usually go back to, halfway or maybe find that ascending level of support, get a bounce, and start to head back up to get a 4th retest. And Dogecoin 4th retest is usually the charm. So I think we'll continue to ride this ascending level of support and continue on into Tindy Town, my friends. So yeah, Daniel, be on the lookout. 113 Matic, dude. I think it could shoot back up to 130, 140 very quickly. Nonetheless, we just started the brand new day on crypto. So let's hope it continues this trend, man. I really do. I want to see Bitcoin test that major level of resistance, and continue to climb up and get back to the promised land so we can get back on track to making some pretty good tendies. And we got Kyle Dean in the chat. That's Win Moon, man. That's a cool dude. What you been doing, Kyle? You been creeping around YouTube, man. Kyle's a funny dude, y'all. I can go in some, like, I chat surf. Like, I hang out at Bulldog Trading most of the time, but I'm also like in other little chats, just kind of popping in, checking out sentiment, like talking to people. But Kyle Dean is he's a little bit of everywhere, man. So like, it really stuck out to me. So good to see you in the chat, my brother. Definitely good to see you, man. Hopefully you're making some pretty good money right now, man. Crypto is looking pretty good. So I'm just happy to see everything back on track, man. Let me pull this up real quick. All right, I got that taken care of. I had to write something down real quick before I forget it, because if I don't write stuff down when it pops in my head while I'm streaming, I will 100% forget it. But Daniel says, are you still in VeChain? I am, man. And I do think, let me pull up some VeChain for you, man. I haven't checked my VeChain in a while, dude. I'm really not worried about it. I think I'm in at a price target about 9 cents. Currently at 8 cents, so I'm a little negative right now. But I think VeChain's due for a nice pop. I mean, you saw the all-time high, about 25 cents back during that bull run. Let me pull up the 1 month. Let's see this. No, let's go back 3 months. See, I don't like these charts. I wish Webull would just adopt them already, man. I really do. So easily, if we get that break right here at this top, you could easily rise back up to somewhere within this range right here, which would be a pretty nice swing trade. There's a lot of great swing trades if that's what you're into, about to pop up in the market. But, you know, easily you can 100% your money if you're just willing to wait it out on VeChain. Not too much downside. VeChain's not going nowhere. It's a very good cryptocurrency to invest in. 8 cents, I think you'll easily see it back at 16. That's 100% play right there all day, my friends. So if you're not in VeChain, I would currently take a look at it. Pretty good price point right there. Not gonna argue with that. Like, I'm sitting a little down. I could buy a little bit more and just average down, and I'll be sitting fine. So yeah, Kyle Dean, you're a big Doge supporter, man. I hear you. Doge is my favorite cryptocurrency, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Along with Ethereum and ADA, but Doge is just holds a little place in my heart. That's why I put DogeCoin live in every single live stream that I cover crypto in, because Doge is the people's currency, man. Daniel says there is a coin right now that works with VeChain, OGN, Origin Protocol. It's something to take a look into getting into. Yeah, OGN, dude. I didn't do too much research on it, man. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but I've been hearing a lot about it, dude. And when I start hearing about stuff like that, typically it has some backing to it. Like I said, dude, I'm in and out of chat rooms. I'm listening to people, seeing what they have to say. But I will do some more research for you, Daniel, and really figure out, get to the bottom of what's going on over here at OGN. But same thing. I mean, it ran up to $3.20 at the height of the last bull cycle. I think the bull cycle will continue for the rest of the year. When I say last bull cycle, I mean the last high of where we were in this bull cycle. I think we're still in it. We just saw some bearish activity. I think the rest of the year will finish off just fine, my friend. But nonetheless, I've been hearing quite a bit of talk about OGN, man. So I'm very intrigued about it. I'm glad you brought that up. And now that you're bringing that up, that is going on my list right here, man. I'm going to write that down and really dig into it. There's so many cryptocurrencies that come out, like you just start forgetting about them all, man. There must be, you know, 1,000 cryptocurrencies, over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. Like, it's just every day there's a new one, and you just have to do your research. Yeah, sure, one, it could pop 100, 200%, you know, out of nowhere, but like a lot of plays that people come out with are tend to be scams. So you have to be careful investing in these brand new cryptocurrencies. Like I saw Baby Wolf was popping out some cryptocurrency. That's just, it screams scam. There's like over 100 billion coins, and the market cap on it's like $80,000. So they're just begging people to buy in so they could, you know, sell out. And any coin that you say, oh, they burn 75% at open, you know, 75% of the coins at open, that just screams scam, guys. They burn 75%. Stuck it in the owner's wallet, and when the price runs up enough, they'll just sell everything and get out and take everybody's money with it. So you have to be very careful in the new cryptocurrency you're investing in. It could definitely be a scam. You have to do your own research before you jump into anything new. So I got you, D. That's why you missed me. I bring the goods, man. I think it was you that brought us into Matic. I was kind of staying away from Matic, but you know, when I started hearing about the Ethereum talks, really interested me in Matic. I do think Matic is a great long-term hold, man. I think you'll make some great 10 days on Matic this year, my friend. So right now with Doge, it's just a waiting game. We're just trying to wait for it to catch up with the rest of crypto. Along with ADA. ADA didn't pop too much. Currently starting a new day off red, but I'm not really looking at that right now because, like I said, started a new day. Bitcoin ran 4.5%, so to see a little bit pullback right now, not concerned the least bit. My prediction for Doge is I think we'll touch back around 2023, have a bounce, maybe get our 4 test. That 4 test right there, guys, you can almost go to bed, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor by any means, but you can almost set a buy limit for 2143 and get alerted for it. I really do think that's a good swing trade. I really do. I think it'll immediately, after it gets that break right there, maybe put it for 2145. You know, once it gets that hard break, that thing is going to rocket back up to 22 real fast. But if Bitcoin continues to drop throughout the rest of the weekend, you probably won't get that retest. Maybe till Sunday, Monday. You know, we'll have to see how the market plays out. But that retest of 2143 is the big point right now. What's up, Jonathan Johnson? Hope everyone day went well, man. It did, dude. I hope your day went well. How you doing, brother? My day went really good, man. What's up, Ben Collins? What you doing, my buddy? We're just over here, man, talking some support resistance lines on DogeCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Didn't really look into ADA too much. I'm not concerned about ADA at all. 130, I'm not being picky about ADA. My price point's for that because once smart contracts roll out, 130, if you were buying at 130, you're going to be a very happy camper. Very happy camper, man. Appreciate that, Ben. Really do, man. Like I said, I hope everybody's day went well. Looking very forward to the weekend. I'm happy it's the weekend. I'm going to just hang out at the house, try to barbecue some stuff tomorrow, maybe cut my grass if the rain allows. It's been raining like crazy over here. It seems like every day. And the heat index over here in Louisiana is like 105, 106. So, like, I'm not going to cut the grass middle of the day. And it tends to rain in the afternoon. So, I might actually have to wake up pretty early tomorrow to try to catch a good time to cut my grass. Because it is getting out of hand. No, it's all good, Jonathan. Thanks for tuning in tonight, man. I really appreciate it. Yeah, Ben. I honestly think ADA is going to be the next thing to actually rip, man. I really do. I think you'll see ADA make some major moves, man. Once them smart contracts come out, I think you'll start seeing $2, $2.85 ADA come very shortly, man. I think within the next month and a half. Time is running out, dude. Like when those smart contracts come out, I know I keep saying it, nobody knows what's in them, so I can't like sit here and dissect it and tell you what's in it. It's going to be great news for ADA, man. That deal with Ethiopia is worth 2.6 trillion. That in itself would push ADA to some really unreal heights, but I am expecting to see $4 or $5 ADA this year, man. Yes, Jen, unfortunately, the grass still exists if it's 105 degrees out. It rains every afternoon, it stays 105, and then somehow it grows even faster. So yes, to answer your question, it does. ARDR, have you heard of this coin, Matt? Also, I've been doing some research. Yeah, what you hearing about it, man? I've been hearing about it. My 4 top major cryptocurrencies are currently on the screen right here. I have a little bit of Matic too, man. Since you brought that to my attention way back when, I think I got in at 85 cents. Back when you told us about it. So yeah, dude, if you're looking into something, dude, definitely let me know, man. That OGN, I've been hearing a lot about OGN, so I'm gonna get to the bottom of that because I was supposed to do that the other day. I saw a bunch of people talking about it. Like they got a little community backing it, man. And I ran into some people and they were going off about OGN. Like you need to seriously look at it. So I got it written on my little sticky note right here. So I'll definitely get into it, man. Ben says, I hope it's not before Bitcoin rips. I need more. Yeah, I think, honestly, man, I think we're getting to the end of the accumulation stage. I really do. I don't think, I mean, seeing DogeCoin not follow Bitcoin to the T right now, I mean, we're still ascending level of support right now, guys. So it's still looking very, very bullish, along with Bitcoin popping above 40 finally. Was above 42 today. Looking very bullish, guys. I think crypto's back as a whole. And I like this little slow incline we're having. Like with the rest of the altcoins, that's looking very bullish. And anytime any one of those could absolutely explode and have big green bang bang candles pop in, and it's just going to go absolutely parabolic. Like ADA, as soon as that news is released, if you don't have your position, ADA is going to fly off the shelf, man. So I'm very excited. I can't wait for the day. I can't wait to get home and report about it once it actually happens. Jonathan says, Matt, if you don't mind me asking, I'm new to the stream, but I wanted to ask the platform that you're using for the charting. I am new to crypto/trading. This is Webull, my friend. Very good trading platform. Like, I keep my phone on me during the day when I'm at work. So, like, if I have some time on my breaks and stuff like that, if I'm looking for a swing trade, the charts are absolutely second to none for me, man. I really enjoy using these charts. I have them up here because I'm so used to them. But they give you all the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10. I mean, you can look at all the different hourly charts. You can look at RSI, MACD, and guys, I didn't put the video out. I'm slacking. I know. I have this whole swing trading video that I've been working on. I'm almost finished with it. It explains RSI, how when the MACD, RSI, all that good stuff, it can help you pinpoint technical breakouts that are about to happen to give you a good buying opportunity on a stock or crypto. But Webull has all that good stuff, man. And I do have a link in the description below. I get 2 free stocks if you sign up, and you get 2 free stocks as well. So it's a win-win for me, win-win for you. I think Webull's second to none, man. There are different trading platforms out there for crypto, such as Coinbase. But letting you know transparently, if you buy crypto on Webull, you don't actually own that crypto quite yet. They don't have wallets. So, like, if you're new to investing in crypto, it is good to have an exchange to where you can actually, if you're holding long term, to actually store it in a wallet if you plan to use it like that. See me, I plan on using my crypto. I have the Coinbase debit card where I get 4% interest. I get 4% back on XLM any purchase I make. So if you download Coinbase too as well, you can get that card and pay your house note and start accumulating crypto in that sense as well, man. I think that would really help you out while you're learning the crypto markets and exploring everything. So I would look at getting Coinbase and Webull if you're a beginner. Those are the 2 best trading platforms. With Webull, you can hit stocks. You can trade as early as 4 a.m. Pre-market. So you get all the extra hours involved. You can buy pre-market, aftermarket, and then when you hit backdoor, come in with Coinbase for your crypto, you can get the card, pay your house note with the card. It's when you link your bank account with the Coinbase card, it's 0% to transfer over your money, and then 0% to actually purchase something. So like if you pay your house note, you earn 4% XLM back on your house note every month, which are bills you're going to pay either way. You can actually stack up your crypto portfolio like that if you're a new beginner, and I think it'd be great for you, man. Let me see what's going on in the chat. Yeah, D, if you can look it up, man, I would definitely be interested in seeing it, man. I'm gonna look hard into OGN, and I'll probably end up throwing something at it. Jay Rogers, ADA hitting $20 in the year. What's up? What's up, my friend? Good to see you, my boy. Busting in with the big ADA prediction. Hey man, it's not impossible. I'll tell you that it is not impossible. I think eventually one day, and take this with a grain of salt. This is just my opinion. I think you'll see $50 ADA one day, and you see it sitting at 130. I think eventually one day you'll see $50 on 88. But I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative. I'm saying anywhere between $5 and $10 this year. Of course, I would love to see 20, my brother. And who knows? Anything's possible. When these smart contracts, when these smart contracts start rolling out into summer, man, it's gonna absolutely explode, my brother. Good to see you, Jay, though. Really good, man. Jay says, I finally got 1K in ADA, man. Hey, that's what's up, man. I think that's gonna treat you well. I think you'll 4 or 5 times your money this year, my buddy. I really do. Kappa Jones, what's happening, brother? Your line is looking correct. What line, man? Line or no line, though, dude. Hey, good to see you, Kappa Jones. That's my boy. He been with me since day one. He's one of my day one dudes. He's going to be spitting flames on Ada like he was on AMC, and going to be a remix on the original TikTok. Yes, you got me. I will never leave my mic off. I actually have a note on my thing that says don't leave your mic off, because I'm famous. That's why I'm not on camera right now, because dude, I will forget to turn my mic on. I'll be sitting there talking for 5 minutes and you guys won't warn me. No, I lie. I'm just joking. Y'all will warn me. But when I go on those little rambles, I'm not looking at the chat, man. Like, I start going off on Coinbase card. I'm like, 4% this, payouts, no, blah, 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 blah. And then I look down at the chat. I'm like, oh, shit. I've been muted the whole entire time. Like, I feel like, feel pretty silly. But, yeah, it was a pretty cool TikTok, Ernesto, nonetheless, man. Yeah, Jay, did you ended up getting a card, man? Let me know. Ooh, dude said I got 3 months left on my house, dude. You're a lucky man, sir. Lucky, lucky man. Congratulations, man. Man, I can't wait to get the Coinbase card. Gonna pay my car, when I get my mortgage, all that with it. Yep. Pay my light bill. Even buy you lunch with it. Make you some XLM, some Stella, which I think Stella is gonna absolutely rip toward the end of the year this year. I think you'll eventually see Stella back to 75 cents, possibly $1 Stella. You know, a lot of banks use Stella, so I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, 0% for spending USDC. Yep, and if you spend your crypto on there, there is a fee, dude. I never spent crypto off of it before, except for the USDC, which is 0%. But yeah, there is a catch with if you're spending other cryptocurrencies off of there. There is a fee. I think it might be 3%, man. I'm not 100%. I don't want to tell you something I'm not 100% on. But I 3% looks about right, man. I was reading about that a couple weeks ago. I just don't know. I've never personally used it for anything else. Like, actually, tomorrow I will try it. I will try it, my friend, and I will get back to you tomorrow night with 100% correct answer. So I will let you know. No, it's all good, Jonathan, man. I really hope it works out for you, dude. I hope you get Webull. I hope you get Coinbase, dude. And I hope you stick around the community for a while, guys, because I will help you out as much as I can. Like I said, I've been slacking this week. It's been a crazy week with work. I've been working bits and pieces of this video for new beginner stock traders to actually, read the RSI, read the charts. You don't want to buy right here when you can buy right here. So I'm going to break all that down for y'all and really have a really educational video for new investors. Definitely. Even for, experienced investors. I'm going to have some stuff in there for y'all. It's going to be a great video, man. I will work on getting that out this weekend. I told OMG I was going to do it. I've been so booked up at work, guys. That's why I didn't stream the past 2 nights. It was just a lot going on. So I think if Bitcoin hits 100K, ADA will go to 8 to 13. Yeah, Ben, that's a good prediction, man. Really, I could see 13 this year, man. I mean, if ADA would absolutely explode like everybody's thinking it will, 13 is not out the realm, man. It's very, very possible. I think you could possibly see that, man. I mean, that's 12 times your money right now, dude. That's you throw a couple grand at ADA and you times that times 12, you're sitting on some nice profits for the year, man. You really are. I must be missing what y'all laughing at. Oh, you must be laughing at the TikTok video Ernesto made. I'm that far behind the chat. I'm sorry, guys. I'm moving slow. You gotta excuse me. Jay says, yes, I got the card. I agree. I see the end of September. Yep. What did he tweet, man? Let's pull it up. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull up that tweet. I gotta block my screen because I had that one night when I popped some stuff up, somebody hopped on there and like my screen started doing some weird stuff. Give me a second, guys. Nah, man. All right, let me type him in. Let's see what he's talking about, man. Tesla policy is never to give in false claims, even if we would lose. Let's see what they're talking about. Tesla has agreed to pay $1.5 million to settle claims of software updates. I'm not seeing any. I'm not seeing what you're talking about, Dean. Oh, okay. I thought it was like a major tweet about DogeCoin or something. But yeah, that dude has the power, man. He can tweet something out, and it can skyrocket pretty quick. It's just the way the market is, man. No big heavy regulations, and the whales can have fun with it. Which I don't want regulations. I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying like the way Elon can just tweet something out and boom, have the price just skyrocket, man. Jay Rogers says same. Always use USDC coin. Yep, same here, man. Get some nice profits back on your XLM, my boy. Crypto Visions, what's happening, brother? Win Lambo. Think it's happening soon, man. Think it's happening soon. Crypto, you streaming tonight or what, man? After I hop off of here, I might come over there and check you out, my brother. So Jen says XLM is being tested at my bank. They're using the wording that is already used by Zelle, and I'm honest to God, I can't wait to get rid. Yep. XLM is being adopted by all the major banks. So there you go. That's why I'm very, very bullish on Stellar long term. And just when I saw Coinbase releasing the card, I was like all excited. I was like, I don't even have to buy a Stellar. I can just go pay my house note and get 4% back. So, yep, XLM is going to be a hitter, man. Definitely. Yeah, that must have been a tweet I just looked at, Dean. Yes, thank you. I'm here. I joined your Discord last time. I was in the stream. I'm excited to learn from your community. Yeah, awesome, dude. Yeah, if you got the notification I sent you, dude, we're in the main chat underneath the crypto section. So most of the time, that's where we hang out at. Nestor, you funny, dude. You're a funny man. You're a funny guy. I get notifications and I freak out every time my phone says Elon. Yeah, OMG put the Elon tweets in our Discord, so like it goes off all day, and I specifically look for Dogecoin or Bitcoin or something like that, but most of the time it's Tesla. But I thought it was kind of funny because you saw for the Tesla earnings, that YouTuber asked him if he would come on his channel to talk about crypto, and he's like, well, I really don't have time. How am I going to get work done if I go talk on YouTube? But the dude stays on Twitter and like tweets out 30 things on Tesla, unless he has somebody doing it at Tesla. I don't know. Maybe he has someone running his Twitter for him while he's working. But that dude tweets a lot about Tesla, and SpaceX, which of course that's his companies. But I always look for those specific crypto tweets because you have guys sitting on the sideline getting those notifications just like that. Every time the man tweets for crypto, you'll see a nice little pop. Good swing trade. I don't do that. I don't rely on that dude to tweet out for a swing trade. I'll just let it be. But it's good to see it anyway. Good to see how the man reacts. How the market reacts to when he tweets and stuff. Mike WA, what's up, Matt? I'm new here. I got put on by Mike's peeps. Yeah, dude, Mike's a good dude, man. Me and Mike started streaming about the same time when DogeCoin was blowing up. So, yeah, I'm always in and out of Mike's chat too, man. I need to go check out over there. I haven't been in there all day. Mainly like when I'm not doing my own thing, I hang out in Bulldog Trading. But Mike's a very good dude, man. I really like his stream. Man, if you're new here, dude, please consider hitting the subscribe button, dude. We'd love to have you join the family, man. Really would. Kappa Jones, yeah, love my card. Using it to pay my... There you go, Kappa. Get you that XLM, man. Oh, it's all good. Crypto Visions, man. I appreciate it. And everybody, Crypto Visions has his own little YouTube channel. Actually, I'm going to try to link up with you soon, man. And maybe bring you on here, or I'll go join you on your channel, man. We'll have a little discussion about crypto. I think it'd be good for both of us, man. Jen says, I'll follow Elon for the memes. Yeah, the memes are definitely funny. I like that Matrix one, the one we went over the other night. That was one of the better ones, I think. Like telling you, no, I'm here to tell you Dogecoin is money. Like, makes you kind of think about it, Crypto could possibly be real money one day. And I think it will be. I think everything will be on blockchain, including stocks. I think you'll get rid of market manipulation if you have blockchain technology incorporated with your stock holdings, to where there can be no more dark pools. There can be no more naked shorting. It's all accounted for and all transparent. But right now they don't want that. But I think if what's going on with AMC and GameStop continue on, eventually, they'll have to put the foot down and say, look, we're just going to have to make some changes, which GameStop is already looking to take off in the NFT market, which I think they'll incorporate their stock count through the NFT marketplace. So we'll have to see how that unfolds, guys. I'm very excited about that. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. Jay Rogers, so any thoughts on Polymath? ADA creator is in on it, and I'm thinking another ADA type coin maybe. I hear it's like $3 this year. I don't know, just hearing things. I will write down on my list, Jay Rogers, dude. I haven't heard about it, man. But if it's another creator from ADA, I think ADA really had it going with Charles coming over from Ethereum. He helped create Ethereum. I don't know. Just the sentiment I gathered off of it. If you tell me about it, man, I will definitely look into it for you, my brother. I haven't heard nothing about it, but I will dig into it. Another one I'm going to look into, I've been hearing a lot about everybody, is OGN. Definitely something I'm going to look into. Plus AMP, y'all. I don't know if some of y'all were here when I was covering AMP, but AMP absolutely, exploded 40-50% when right after we had met that group of people in the Empire, they call them, the community backing for AMP. And I really think AMP has a bright future. I really, really do. It's kind of like the PayPal of crypto. It works with every crypto, not just for AMP, so definitely something to look at long term. AMP is pretty cheap. I think around 4 or 5 cents. Let me get a sip of water real quick, guys. Yeah, Nesto, follow him for the memes. Probably so, Jen. Probably so. Because that dude, he tweets a lot. For someone that says he can't go on interviews because he's working, that dude tweets a lot. Crypto says Mike's on vacation bear hunting. That's interesting, man. You can't even hunt bears around here. They're all protected animals down here. I have a dry outlook on crypto right now. Just holding for the long haul now. Working on improving my options trading game now. You playing any options right now, dude? Please let me know. Please let me know. The only options I have really open right now is in Mavis. I got some $20 September calls, but if you got some stuff you're looking at, man, feel free to let us know. Mike WA, I feel like the pandemic will push for paperless currency within the next decade. Yeah, man, right when that coin shortage and all that stuff started happening in the beginning of the pandemic, I honestly thought that's what they were pushing for. I really did, man. And, the future is going to be everything digital, whether it be a US dollar, the yuan, everything's going to be digital. I think it'll be blockchain technology based. So whether that be changing the way how you vote, how you do multiple things, I think blockchain technology is going to be at the back of that. It's so transparent. It's the way to go. We're just waiting for the governments to actually adopt it without saying, hey, we're going to make Bitcoin illegal. Not to say that will ever happen. I don't think they could at this point. I think it's out of their hands. I mean, the backing for Bitcoin, DogeCoin, cryptocurrency as a whole is to get away from government money. So it's here to stay, guys. It is long term. Is definitely the future. Crypto says, don't get me wrong. I'm a firm believer in the future of crypto. Just need to make the profits now. I hear you, brother. I really do. And if you've been paying attention for that Doge, that breakout point, 2143, dude, that's what I'm seeing right here. You can see all the touch points we had. If I could go back, I could line a bunch more up. But just in the short term, 1, 2, 3, that's a major level of resistance. I think if you break that and you're up and you're watching it, you'll easily run back up to 22 cents in the short term, man. So if you're looking for a quick swing trade, that's what I'd be looking for right now, man. That's what I'm seeing in the charts. What's up, D Grade? What's happening, brother? Good to see you, man. I'm just over here bumping my gums before I go back and holler at y'all, man. But thanks for tuning in, man. I really, really do appreciate it. And guys, if y'all are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, becoming a member. We'd love to have you, man. We're a very small community trying to grow. So really greatly appreciate it. Oh, Rick, you're in Florida too, man? What part of Florida? So Jay Rogers says the two coins I'm watching right now is AMP and Polymath. Yeah, AMP is a good play, man. It really is. I didn't expect it to run 40% after we started talking about it, so that was really cool, man. I think AMP has a bright future. Elon does what he wants. He's an OG, and those tunnels look amazing. Hey, that's gonna solve a lot of issues too, man. Because, dude, California is one of their main problems. I follow Meet Kevin, so I'm kind of following his little run for governor, and I've been watching him for years. But one of the major problems for California is the traffic, from my understanding. I haven't been there to actually see it first and foremost, but a lot of people report that the traffic is absolutely horrible. So those underground tunnels would be absolutely amazing to help clear up the traffic, man. I'm all for it. Oh, Mike, you from Miami, dude? Cool. That is awesome, man. I tend to like to go to Orlando, man. We want to bring the kids back to Disney World pretty soon, so I'll be looking to head back to Orlando. Crypto Vision says AT&T did not pan out this week. Lost on those calls. Very salty at them now. I got you, man. I'm sorry you did bad on those calls, dude. I really am. I never play AT&T too much. I got some free stocks for AT&T when someone signed up under the Webull link. I think I ended up selling them. It basically is now. And if I look how much banking. Oh, I got you, Jen. What's happening, Dora D? Said I had no money to buy the big dip at the time. Any dip soon? Right now it's looking pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie to you. So we're, DogeCoin. If you're referring to DogeCoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all on pretty big ascending levels of support. So Doge building strength right now, will be explosive when it really breaks. Yep, I'm just waiting for Doge to break apart from the rest of the crowd right now, along with ADA and a couple other altcoins. Jay saying I also see a big dip for crypto in December. Yeah, I'm kind of thinking beginning of next year too, man. I really think we'll see a big dip, man. Secret Fish with the super sticker, dude. Hey, man, I appreciate you very much, dude. $49.99, man. You did not have to do that, but nonetheless, man, I really appreciate you. Really do. This dude hit me with 2 of them, man. Hey, Secret Fish, thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciate it, man. Everything I make off the channel, I'm not making nothing. I'm reinvesting into getting more equipment and stuff like that, so it's greatly appreciated, my friend. Greatly appreciate it. D-Grade say, yeah, I saw you live, so I wanted to come see you. Talking with L Snap and playing some F. Oh, I got you, dude. Yeah, after I get off of here, man, I'll come check you out in the Discord, dude. We'll definitely hang out, man. Oh my God, it's the fish. Mike W.A. I love how the internet can connect people so effortlessly. Yes, dude, 100%. That's the best part of this whole YouTube journey, dude, that I actually started. The people that you meet are absolutely amazing, dude. Like, they're just absolutely awesome, man. Mike W.A. I'm not balling like fish, but I do what I can, dude. Thank you very much for that super chat, man. Greatly appreciate you, Mike, dude. Hopefully you ended up hitting that subscribe button, dude, and you'll join our community, man, and see Dogecoin hit $1, man. And Secret Fish is a secret whale, man. Thank you again for that $50 super chat, man. Thank you very much. Yeah, it can be bad over the time, so time's not so bad. I got you, D-Grade. I'm gonna come check you out in the Discord, man, after we stream, brother. Watch you play some old school video games, man. Moon, when you see the fish, you see that spike. 100%, man. Nah, hey, Secret Fish, I really appreciate the super chats, man. I appreciate the love. Yeah, I was watching. I kind of glanced at the AT&T charts the other day. I just typically stay away from AT&T, man. I'm sorry you ended up losing some money on them options, though, man. Yeah, you see that, Ernesto, huh? Secret Fish, you came from Mike's stream. What's up, Ghost Rider? How you doing, man? I seen you join Crypto Vision's Discord too, man. Good to see you, man. He said he went to sleep, but if you want to, yeah, I'm gonna go check them out as soon as I'm logging off of here, man. Yep, you got it, Crypto. Yeah, Win Moon. I was talking about him earlier, man. He's a funny dude. You can creep around the internet out of different chat rooms, and you'll just see Win Moon or Kyle Dean. It's like he's always creeping, because I'm always creeping too, like trying to go in and out of different chats and see different people. So that's my boy right there. Rick says the fish is loose. Yeah, Secret Fish, man. I hope you hit that subscribe button, man. Join the community. We'd love to have you, man. Thank you very much for that, man. We got a new member, D Grade. Appreciate that, brother. Thank you for becoming a member. I have a feeling Fish came from Mike's channel. Seems like you guys know each other. But yeah, man, I love some XLM. I love me some Stellar, dude. If you got that Coinbase card like we've been talking about earlier, you can definitely get rack up on the XLM. Pretty good, my friend. Dude, I'm moving slow. Jay Rogers says, if you don't have XLM, come get you some. Ghost Rider says, took a Tesla call for next month. What was the strike price on that, Ghost? I bought some shares of Tesla today. Just the whole long term, man. Honestly believe where the company's going. I think you'll see, $1,000, $2,000 Tesla one day. Whether it dips a little bit, we'll see. I'm going where you guys go. So y'all are a tight little clique, man. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it, man. Yeah, thank you, Ben. I got some copyright-free music, man. So we're just chilling. Dude said, Elon tweeted a meme if you like memes. Yeah, dude, I'll go check it out. Let's see what he's talking about. Let me refresh that. Nine minutes ago. The first boss, me who only did the key quest. That's funny, man. Yeah, he might be on a little Twitter rant, dude. You know when that man tweets, the market moves, so. Hey, Jen, thank you for becoming a member. Really appreciate that. Very cool to have you. Yeah, thank you, Jay, dude. Appreciate you hitting that subscribe button for me, man. Greatly appreciate it. We try to stream. I try to stream every night. The past couple nights been kind of rough with work, but usually, 5 days out the week, dude, I'll put out a live stream. We'll talk some support resistance, see what's popping in the world of stocks, crypto, man. So greatly appreciate it, man. Hope to see you around more, man. Strike is 840. Hey, Ghost Rider, I'm right on track with you. I bought some Tesla shares today. I honestly think that Tesla will be back in the 800 range come shortly. That's my whole reason for getting some today, because I think Tesla's due for a nice pop. So I'm with you 100% on that, and that's for August 13th. So awesome. I'm glad to see there's a lot more people feeling the same way I am about those Tesla. Birds of a feather flock together. Yeah, that's what kind of drew me to Mike's channel, man, because I got a tight little clique over there, dude. And everybody seems pretty cool, man. That's where I met Crypto Visions. That's where I met Win Moon. Secret Fish, if you from there, dude, I greatly appreciate you already, my boy. Thanks for tuning in, man. Yep, you got it, Jay. Yeah, Win Moon, Elon's tweets run the market, dude. It's just the way it is, man. People hate him for it. I think it's funny, because I'm a long-term investor. At some point this year, I do think I'll be getting out of crypto for a little bit. I think the market's going to see a big pullback toward the end of the year, if not the beginning of 2022. So we'll have to see how that plays out. But I'll be looking to exit, toward the end of the year, guys. But I'll let everybody know, of course. I'll look to buy back in when the prices are really cheap. Because I do think we'll see a pretty big pullback after we finish this bull cycle that we're currently in. So, Matt, what were you saying about XLM? I chimed in right at the tail end of that. So, yeah, man, sure, I'll go back over it real quick. The Coinbase card, if you have Coinbase, dude, you can get the Coinbase card, and you can actually get 4% XLM back off of any purchases. So 0% to transfer money from your bank to the card, the prepaid debit card, and then 0% to actually use it to purchase stuff. So like if you're gonna pay your house note, you're gonna pay your light bill, all that good stuff, dude. You're earning crypto back. It's perfect for like a small retail investor that doesn't have a ton of money to actually throw into the market. You're gonna pay bills regardless, so you can just use your little Coinbase card and stack up on your XLM while it's cheap. And by the time the next bull cycle hits, that 4% could turn into a hell of a lot more than 4%, my friend. So that's why a few people that have been following me, definitely got the Coinbase card. You can get 1% Bitcoin or 4% XLM. Your choice. I'm going for XLM. I just like Stellar, and I believe I'll 4 or 5 times my money on Stellar before I will Bitcoin. But to each his own. So that's what I was mainly referring to. I think it's a great opportunity for small investors to really start to build some crypto up. It's bills you're gonna pay anyway, man. So definitely take a look at it, man. Yeah, appreciate it, crypto. You not streaming tonight, man? Ghost Rider says I had a hard time finding you the first time. Yeah, man, you're not the first person to tell me that. It's like the algorithm for a while was working against me, man. I do not know why. Yeah, crypto, as soon as I hop out of here, man, I'm gonna definitely come check you out, my brother. So I was looking at TXN for another member, and I looked at weekly and saw a divergence. Maybe good. What do you think? TXN, let's pull it up real quick. Texas Instrument. Pull up the 4-hour chart. I tend to like to look at my stocks on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, I think I'd treat you pretty well, quite honestly. That RSI is leading up. You can see pretty hard swings. Run up, run down. Run up, run down. I don't typically put stuff. I don't buy puts. I'll buy calls. But nonetheless, you're coming off the top of a little run right here, and you're not really breaking off. And you have all your moving day averages, coming together right here. So I think you'd be all right, man. I think you'll see this thing bleed off next week. Just the way the charts have been looking, you get these little run-ups, comes back down, run up, come back down, run up, come back down. I would get in and get out, man. If I was you, I would get in and get out. Make you a little decent profit on it, and then I'd be out of there, man. But cool, I'll keep my eye on Texas Instrument, man. Get back to the crypto charts real quick. Oh, so cool, dude. You're actually going 24/7 now, man. Unless unless the PC crashes during the nightly nap. I got you, man. Cool, dude. We definitely gonna come check you out, man. And we need to try to get together, dude, and maybe do a little stream together sometime, man. Yeah, you have to sign up for Coinbase to get on the waiting list, which is typically about a month right now, guys. Oh, the weekly on Texas? Let's check it out. Definitely check it out for you, man. Let me see that ticker symbol again, TX. I done lost the ticker symbol, man. Give me a second. TXN. That's what I thought it was. The weekly. Dude, that thing is way up there, man. Whoa. For a second there, it looked like the S&P, man. I look at the RSI trends, the way it reacts to. You get these run-ups, and you take that hard dip. Run up, take a hard dip. Run up, take a hard dip. Run up, come about halfway, dip a little more. Hard run up, hard dip. So you kind of come in, had a little run up. I think you'll come back down to somewhere within that range. I think you'll have a little pullback come shortly, man. Just the way the charts are lining up. I don't know what news is pumping into this thing. I can definitely look at it for you and report back to you tomorrow better. I haven't looked at Texas Instrument before, but that is some really nasty growth right here, man. That is, I'd be careful buying a put on this, just to be honest with you. But it would look to me like it's due for a little pullback, man. But I'll look up the news and stuff on it and get back to you tomorrow about it. I will definitely look it up for you, my friend. Do you have a link for the cord? Ernesto, man, can you get the link for Ghost Rider and post it in the chat for him, man? I think you have to be a Coinbase member, though. That's the only thing, Ghost Rider. I think you have to actually have a Coinbase account to get the card. So if you do have the Coinbase app, it's on the main screen right when you open up the application. You just scroll down a little bit, it'll say apply for the Coinbase debit card. Yeah, Jay Rogers, dude, the wait for the card is killer, man. You are not lying, dude. Mine was only a month, but I was reading a lot of people talking about 3 to 6 months. So my wait wasn't bad. Ernesto says it took 3 to 4 weeks. So right about a month, I would say, it's just you apply for it, forget about it, and it'll be a little bit, but eventually you'll get it in, man. Very good to have, though. Oh, there you go, Ernesto. I didn't even see, dude, I'm way behind the chat. Matt, yeah, I was using Ortex, man. Yep, no free version, but there. If you look at Matt Core's stream, under his description, if you use a code, you can get a discount for Ortex to where it's like $59 a month instead of $80. So definitely look into that, Crypto Visions, if you're thinking about getting Ortex, man. Yeah, the weekly on TXN looks really good. Like, I was looking at the 4 hour. The weekly looks really, really good. Yeah, it's been running since March 2020. Yep, you can see it on the RSI as well, man. Yeah, I've seen the stock before. I just never really looked into it and got interested enough to get into it. But I saw it was back $13, ran to 190. I'm not gonna touch it, man. Quite honestly. I mean, it'll probably continue pretty healthy growth. That company's probably doing great things. Be sitting there trading at almost $200 a share. But I'm not gonna touch any of that, man. I'm looking into infrastructure plays when the bills actually come out, like ChargePoint and Rail. That's gonna be my next two big plays. Also, guys, I mean, if I know y'all are new here, but I've been telling a lot of my followers about Riot, and Riot's been doing its thing, man. I mean, you could have bought it back around low 20s. That's completely affected with Bitcoin. And we were talking about Mar. Mar's been doing really well with Bitcoin doing its thing. So I do think you'll see Mar eventually go back to retest those all-time highs. Had a pretty good run-up this past week. So I don't think it's done by any means. Riot, Mar, those are both really good recovery plays for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is very healthy looking right now, currently sitting at 41,834. We got Ethereum 2454, which I hope we hold 2450. That was a level of support that we're currently about to touch. So we'll have to see how the new day holds for us. Yeah, man, Riot's a very good recovery for Bitcoin. It actually ran pretty hard this past week. They had one day it was up like 30%. So I don't think you missed the boat on it. It's just you could have got it at a lot cheaper prices. We were talking about it when it was really cheap, man. We saw it at 23. So Riot's very good recovery play for Bitcoin. Jay, I don't know about it, dude. OMG posted it today, and I looked it up, but I was doing something. I didn't really have time to look at it. I didn't. I will look to that, man. I was looking for it earlier, that farm coin, so I would definitely look into it, man. That's kind of like ICP computer coin when it came out. I was like, I don't typically like to play like coins that just come out because that's kind of like an IPO to me for crypto. So I kind of stay away from stuff like that. Oh, cool. We had an update about Cardano. I'm going to definitely go check that out probably after I get off the stream, dude. I want to see what he was saying about it because he probably didn't give no update about the smart contracts. I wouldn't imagine he would do that on YouTube. So I'll definitely go see what he was talking about, man. But guys, don't forget ADA smart contracts in the summer, early fall. They're gonna be coming, guys. And when ADA gets that news when that news breaks on ADA, I really think you're gonna be looking at a live stream straight for ADA. And I hate to be the dude that I don't put ADA in my stream every night on the tag, but it's on my screen, guys. I think ADA is gonna do something great come here shortly. I really do. I'm very bullish on ADA. I think it's going to have, a pretty good year. I think, it'll be a top runner, in my opinion, for sure. So we'll have to see how that happens. Ghost Rider, what's 8.6? It's only 11 minutes. I'm about to see it. Yeah, I'm going to definitely check it out. Yeah, the thing that Cardano is doing that's so great, they go to these third world countries and they're looking to set up financial systems for all these broken countries like Syria and Africa. Like you go over there, people don't have clean water. So you insert, cryptocurrency into those equations. And you know how people send money back to their country every week? They're using Western Union, stuff like that. Well, Western Union takes 10% off the top right there. So you insert ADA. And their transfer fees are super cheap, so you have millions of more dollars actually pumping into those economies that actually need it, and not to the pockets of the billionaires who own these wire transfer money companies. So that on top of just, they're going to use blockchains to actually have deeds for people's houses in these countries and stuff like that. So very, very cool. I love what ADA is doing. They're trying to help humanity. And I'm all for it, man. I really am. I think these smart contracts with Ethiopia are going to absolutely make ADA explode, man. Oh, I got you. Earnings on Riot, 8.6. Ooh, that's next week, huh? Where's my phone at? Yep, that's next week. Yep, that's next Friday, dude. Man, if I will try to do those live, dude, because I'm very interested to see what their earnings were. What's happening, Eagle 3? Appreciate you for tuning in, man. Welcome to Mass Market, my friend. We cover everything from stocks to cryptocurrency, man. We'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, dude. Join the community. Love to have you here, man. I try to stream often as I can. Right now, it's probably about 5 nights a week. Everybody needs a break every now and then. But, dude, nonetheless, thank you for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate it. So, Ghost, who's holding down Mike's stream while he's gone, man? Is he leaving it up 24/7? I'm just curious. Yeah, there was some Polkadot news about on Facebook. Let me pull that up real quick. I really need to download my Coinbase to my laptop. That way I ain't gotta go through here. Let's see what Polkadot's trading at. 15.94. There's some big talks. I know BitBoy Crypto is big on Polkadot. That's one of his top cryptos he's talking about for the year. But almost hit a high of $50. I think you invest a little bit in Polkadot, man. I think he'll treat you well. I think he'll go back to retest $40-50 come toward the end of the year, man. And that's coming off of $15. So just the way the charts look to me, But I didn't read too much about the information with Facebook and Polkadot. Um, I'm not invested in Polkadot, but I can say, you know, the charts do look like, you know, it could eventually head back. You get 100% on that play, I think. I really do. So man, if he's off bear hunting, oh, he must have his wife or somebody there in case the stream would freeze, huh? I'm gonna make sure to go in there and check y'all out either tonight or tomorrow. RW, hope BTT flies in the future. I think it will, man. Hopefully this Saturday we don't take well, it's Saturday now, but hopefully, you know, Saturdays usually crypto tends to take a little bit of a dip, so hopefully we'll be sitting good for the rest of the weekend and continue to climb into next week, man. Hopefully we'll see Bitcoin above 42,000 again very shortly. But just remember, guys, for DogeCoin, that major level right now is 2143. And you can see we get these tests. We got a test here. 1, 2, 3 got rejected. We are in a bit of a ascending level of support right here, which is really respecting that well. We drew that last week. So I can see us going back to retest that before we get that retest for the fourth time. And the fourth time is usually the charm. So if you're looking for a quick swing trade or just to make some quick bucks on the side, I think you buy 21, set it for 2150. Make sure you do get the solid break over it. I think you'll run back up to 2230 really quick. Really quick. So that's what I'm currently waiting for. Let me make sure I'm not missing nothing in the chat. Yeah, I'm slow with the chat tonight, guys. I'm sorry. I'm falling behind. Oh, I got you, Jay. You bought 50 coins at 1160, dude. You already sitting green, man. That is awesome, my friend. Great to hear that, dude. He got it running from his new PC and backup stream running from a server in Canada. That is nearly 100% guarantee of never going down. Awesome, man. Hopefully you looked in at two crypto visions if you're going to be running 24/7, my friend. The one I hear about are the Polkadot, Solana, Cardano. Yeah, Solana, dude, definitely a good investment. I'm nothing against Polkadot, man. I know some people don't like it. I have nothing against Polkadot. I think you'll get 100% money on your play for Polkadot, dude. I think crypto is gonna, you know, I'm a bull for crypto. I mean, if you haven't noticed, I think Doge is going to $1. I think Bitcoin is going back to 64. I think Ethereum's going back to its all-time highs. I think ADA is absolutely gonna rip for the rest of the year. Ride the waves, Ben Collins. What's happening, West Side, dude? Hey, what's happening, brother? Good to see you in the chat, man. Thanks for stopping by, dude. Thanks for becoming a member too, man. I greatly appreciate that, man. That's Westside We Smoke, everybody from Bulldog Trading. Usually hosting a show between regular stock market hours. Y'all make sure to check him out, man. Really cool dude. Really cool cat. Yeah, we got D-Grade in the chat chilling with us, man. Win Moon, I can fix you 2 grilled cheese, man. 2 of them, my brother. Dude, say I can't sleep till Matt's hungry. Jason Gregory, what's happening, man? Hello, Matt. Just wanted to show you some love, dude. I greatly appreciate that super chat, Jason Gregory. Thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. Everything, every super chat I get, dude, I'm solely reinvesting it back into the YouTube business and just getting new equipment and stuff like that. So thank you very much for supporting the channel, my brother. Ghost Rider is currently flipping the script on Win Moon. Do you want some soup? And Win is currently responding, what kind of soup? Yes, man, I did for some music streams. I want to run eventually. I got you. Yeah, dude, if you need some help setting up anything, man, please let me know. Like I said, dude, I know we talked a little bit. You had figured out the the stuff about the description and stuff like that. But if you ever need some help, man, we can live stream through the Discord. And I can hook you up with anything that you're having any confusion with, man. Just please let me know. What's up, Evans? Pup Doge, 1,000 gem pre-sale live. Now over 10,000 BNB rises. Never heard of it, man. Be quite honest with you, man. Bulldog Trading, another good stream to check out. Yep, 100%, man. If y'all can't find me in my Discord or somewhere, dude, I'm usually most of the time hanging out over there. Great group of people with a bunch of grilled cheese. LOL, grilled cheese for everyone, I guess. Grilled cheese party. Just don't put it in the toaster. You will mess up your toaster. Unless you lay it down sideways. Oh man, grilled cheese sounds good. That does sound good, man. I might actually have to go hit me up a grilled cheese. That sounds really good right now. Do you say I like ramen with grated ginger fried spam hot sauce? Awesome. Dude, I will have to try that. That does sound really, really good, man. I like me some ramen, man. Back in my college days, I lived off of some ramen. And you can't forget the pineapples. Bulldog, they have nothing but the pineapples. Yeah, Moon, that pizza, man, that was from a little spot here in town. Very good little spot, dude. Come with a little shrimp on the pizza. They got, dude, that was a good pizza, man. Bunch of pineapples in Bulldog Trading. Ooh, Chinese 5 spice. Where you from like that, Crypto Visions? Hey, Ghost, what's your chart show for Doge? I currently just kind of a little trading sideways right now, Eagle Man. I'm thinking we'll end up going back to retest this ascending level of support and then looking to get that fourth retest of Doge at 2143. Yeah, dude, y'all making me hungry. Oh, okay. Thanks for the heads up, Crypto Visions. I did not know that. My apologies. I did not know that. Very cool. Very cool. What's happening, OMG? OMG was talking about the farm crypto today. I did glance at it, but I didn't get to look at the full picture about what it was about. And Jay Rogers was just asking about it. So I got OGN to go look into. A couple other ones I got written down. So I'm definitely going to look into it. But typically, like OMG, I treat it like the IPOs for crypto. Like I don't like to touch those brand new like ICP, Internet Computer Coin, when it came out. I didn't touch it. I didn't touch the Robinhood IPO. I like to kind of let people let it do its thing and then, you know, kind of look at it later. That's just my opinion, though. St. Louis. Oh, you're not too terribly far from it. That's pretty cool, man. Crypto Vision says I can't find farm on TradingView. OMG, where'd you find farm? Where'd you find it at? D Gray says I'm in Iowa now, Ohio, I guess, but I don't know yet. Damn, that dude is on the move, man. Make sure to be careful out there, D Grade on the road. OMG says up 150% and sold. Awesome. That's what's up. I made some pretty good profits off of ERYP this morning. So I made some pretty good tendies on that. Nesto, you funny, brother. I sold my Doge at 21.25 tonight, trying to decide when to buy back in. Not sure if it'll drop as much as last night. Yeah, I typically don't. That's really, you're playing with really tight margins, man. Eagle, to be honest with you. Not saying you can't do it. It's just really tight margins. What platform are you currently trading on, man? Currently, right now, what I'm seeing, you could possibly drop back to the low 20-cent range and see if it holds there. If you get a bounce, to me, that would be a good buying opportunity. And I would look for a good bounce right there, my man. And then 21.43, if you get that hard break right there, easily run back up to 22 cents. That'd be a really good swing trade, man, if that's what you're looking to do. Doge just touched the 200 moving day average. I don't know why my moving averages aren't up. Yep, there you go. So if it's getting rejected, you'll probably bounce down a little bit. But you have all your lines converging, man. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens in the short term, man. We got Odifro in here. Odifro, what's happening, man? Thanks for tuning in, man. Greatly appreciate it, brother. Dude, I was listening to you on the mic, dude. You were doing a great job earlier, man. Great job, dude. Secret Fish, dude. Dude, hey, thank you very much for that super chat, man. And I'm going to have to pay homage to D-Grade and all my Bulldog fam by saying thank you for that super chat. Thank you very much, my friend. 99 bucks, dude. That's my biggest super chat, dude. I'm going to post that up on my wall, dude. I greatly appreciate that, man. Thank you very much. Secret Fish is Secret Whale. He is killing it tonight, my friends. Wind Moon. Oh my God, Fishy. Yeah, I'm telling you, Ernesto. Thank you, Secret Fish, man. Greatly appreciate it, man. I trade 1.5 million, so a 1 cent move is great, even half a cent. Oh yeah, dude. If you trade volume like that, dude, I totally understand what you're doing right now, man. So yeah, if you're watching the charts like that, dude, I think eventually we'll go back to retest the low 20-cent range. So yeah, man. Okay, I totally understand what you're doing, man. So you're making some pretty good profits just playing around like that, dude. That is awesome, man. Oh, okay, he's still on the mic. Oh, dude, I'm going to check him out. I will definitely go check it. Dude, Odifro is killing it on the mic tonight, man. He was doing good, dude. Every time I hear him on the mic, man. I can't wait to see how he does in that audition for the next host for Bulldog Trading, man. Wind Moon, you need to hop on that over there, man. Grab your mic, my boy. Soups. Wind Moon, you're a funny dude, bro. You're a funny dude. What's up, Cola? What's happening, man? Good to see you in the chat, man. Welcome to Mass Market. We cover stocks and crypto. If you're new to the channel, man, we'd love to have you hit that subscribe button for us and join the community, man. Jay Rogers says, I just subscribed to Bulldog Trading, and he seems dope, man. I think I got 2 crypto channels now. Yeah, they cover everything from stocks too, man. 24/7 over there, Jay. So, very cool community, man. Just hop in there, tell them you with me, drop a pineapple joke, man, and you'll be automatically be family, man. Hey, Secret Fish, man, thank you for tuning in, dude. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that more than you know. So I hope to see you around, brother. Shrimp A2Face sounds really good, too. Why you gotta hit me with the Louisiana jokes, man? I like me some shrimp A2Face, man. That sounds good. I might eat that tomorrow, man. Everyone does good, and I thought Odifro already had the job. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I talked to Bulldog the other day. He's still going through with the competition. So D Grade, I cannot wait to hear you on the mic, my friend. And dude, you are more than welcome any night you want to come up here and speak with everybody, dude. Love to have you up, man. Same thing with everybody. We need to do an open Discord night again, man, which I'll probably look to do that tomorrow night. So if anybody wants to come up, we can talk some crypto and stocks. It'll be a fun time, man. I think we'll end up doing that tomorrow. Like I had talked to you about today about getting me some Ethereum. I ended up doing it. Now I have Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's rise, gang, gang. Hey, dude, you're sitting tight, man, because Ethereum is due for a blast off, dude. I think you're going to see Ethereum back at the all-time highs. I really do think you'll see 7 to 10 grand Ethereum end of the year, man. Yeah, Ben Collins, Bitcoin taking a little bit of a breather. I think closing above 42 today was great. I think so too, man. I'm not surprised to see some pullback. I wouldn't like to see it drop below 41.5 tonight or today, but it probably will. I think somewhere you'll settle around 40, between 40 and a half to 41,000. Hopefully everything will get back on track. We're still not sitting bad, down 0.13%. So for the day, I mean the day just started out. I think we'll trade pretty much sideways for a little bit and get ready for another leg up. I think Bitcoin's back, man. I really do. And I do think the altcoins are going to start to follow. We're just waiting on that right now. Yep, and green hearts, Jason. I'm hoping Ethereum and Doge will be bridging in the future. Yep, there was a... did you watch that interview with with the creator of Ethereum? I can't even say his name right now because I'm out of water. Vitalik Buterin. He did an interview, I think it was yesterday. I forgot who was streaming that. They were talking about the Ethereum Doge bridge, and yeah, I do think it's happening, man. I really do. Yeah, appreciate. Thank you, Jason. It's all good, brother. I'm not gonna be up too much later, man. So I'll definitely hop back in there and tell y'all boys good night. Dude say, yep, already did, but I'll send the pineapple. When I was in culinary school, Cajun and Creole cuisine was some of my favorite focuses. Chef instructors. Yeah, dude, check out some crawfish etouffee, man. Make you some of that. I'm sure you can get some crawfish where you at, dude, in the little packages. Make sure you get the Louisiana crawfish and not the Chinese crawfish, though. Big difference. You don't want to eat that Chinese stuff, man. I don't think you want to lose subs, man. Me on the mic. Oh, nah, dude. You good, brother. You're 100% good, D-Grade. Anytime you want to come up, dude, like tomorrow night, we'll be doing a little thing. I'll bring some people up. We'll talk. And I'd love to have you, brother. What's happening, Blake? You must be part of from Mike's channel, man. Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. Yeah, the developers, man. Ghost Rider, I see you in Crypto Vision's Discord. I will post that video in there for you, my brother. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. I get so carried away. I forget you're not a dude. I apologize. But I will post that in the Discord for you. Dude says I got into some low country dishes too. Like some country fried steak and stuff like that. I have no connection I can get. Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah, dude. Some crawfish etouffee, dude. That would hit the spot, man. Yeah, a company in Tulsa called Tulsa Labs, part of Swarm, is looking to bridge Ethereum with Doge. Yeah, I want to say they talked about something about that company, Tulsa Labs. So nonetheless, I will drop that video in that Discord for y'all. It's okay. I got 4 brothers. It's fine. No, I get off rambling and like forget stuff, and like if your name doesn't stick out, like hey, I'm a female, like I'll just go off and say thank you, man. You know, it's just a habit. But nonetheless, a habit I need to break. So. Dude says watching the DeLorean doc. Dude, I wish West Side was up here. West Side from Bulldog has a really cool Marty McFly impersonation with Doc Brown. He can nail it. I'm not that good yet, but I like me some Back to the Future, man. I'm in vet as well. Awesome. Yeah, I like some vet. Also like some V-Chain. I think I'll double my money on V-Chain this year. I'm super excited about it. Just want to learn and expand. Hey, I'm happy to have you here. I really am. So thanks for tuning in. I know we talked a little bit last night, and I'm happy to see you actually tune into the channel. Thanks for taking the time to actually search me and really find me, because I had someone tell me the other day, like, hey man, I can't even find your channel. It's like the algorithm was really, it works against these smaller channels. So nonetheless, I really do appreciate you taking the time out to go out and find me. Yeah, Blake, Netflix, it did, man. Yes, I'm from Louisiana. Spice capital of the world. Dude says shrimp and grits. Shrimp and grits boil all sorts of good food. Ghosts. Check out How Low Country Recipes on Google. Oh, I got you. They got a restaurant down here that serves shrimp and grits, man. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Dolphin. Nah, he must have shot out by now, man. Ooh, I know. Low Country red-eyed gravy. Oh yeah, man. My grandpa used to cook a red gravy, a pork chop red gravy. He used to put Coca-Cola in it, and it was good. Like it was different, but it was really good. I really missed that. I got their old cookbook somewhere. I need to bust that out one of these days. Have you been to the abandoned Six Flags in New Orleans? No, I have not, Ernesto, but that is a ghost town, and I think it's a lot of homeless people are living there. So, no, I have not been. I think you asked me that before, man. What you heard about that place? Let me know, man. It's Doge dropping a little bit down to 2075. Guys, the rest of the night, I think we'll end up, if not trading sideways, going back to retest the low 20-cent range and get that bounce. So if we don't get that bounce, Eagle, man, if you're trading that much Doge at that point in time, dude, that small amount, trying to pinpoint it, dude, that could really affect your buy-in and sell point. So just be careful, man. But if you're selling that much Doge, you know what you're doing, man. That's pretty cool to see people swing trading like that, man. I pegged him from being from Louisiana. That's what made me crave some etouffee. I got you, man. And I said Louisiana, and for some reason my iPad lit up. That was weird. I started Googling Louisiana. My husband didn't know what grits were when we got married. I'm sure he knows now, huh? That's pretty funny. I used to never mess with grits either until they got a restaurant over here that serves them, the shrimp and grits. It's really good. I was watching a documentary on the history, and it shows how it became Six Flags and then nothing happened to it after Katrina. Oh yeah, that's exactly what happened to it too, man. After Katrina, it completely shut down, and I think it's like basically a city for homeless people right now, man. Yeah, I haven't been back. I went when I was a kid, but I haven't been back after Katrina, man. Yeah, cheesy grits with red gravy. Never heard of putting Coke in the gravy though. Yeah, man. It was, dude, Crypto. I'll send you a recipe, dude. You can try it. But it's a pork chop red gravy with Coca-Cola in it, And it was weird. It was just different, man. It's like whenever he would cook it, on the rare occasions he would, it was like, oh yeah, he's cooking the Coca-Cola gravy, like like it was cool, man. Something I definitely remember from being a child. Ghost Rider, OMG, cheese grits with corn chips. Oh yeah, you gotta have the cheese grits with the corn chips. See, Moon, you accomplished your mission, my dude. I'm officially hungry, and I'm probably about to go tear apart my pantry trying to find me something to eat, man. Yeah, man, there was a lot of crazy stuff going on over there. Definitely. Cheesy grits. Eagle 3 coming in with that super chat, dude. Enjoyed your channel. Wish you the best on it. Success. Be safe. Enjoy life. Hey, thank you, Eagle 3. Greatly appreciate you too, man. And good luck with your trading endeavors, man. If you're trading that much crypto, dude, you're doing very good, man. So hopefully you hit that subscribe button, man. You stick around for a while, man. But thank you very much for that super chat. Man, cheese grits mixed with eggs and red links. That sounds good too, man. Y'all gonna make me go go cook something at 12:30 at night, man. I'm not even lying. Yeah, thank you, Eagle, dude. Be safe too, man. We'll be streaming tomorrow night, man. Make sure to come check us out. But thank you again, brother. Yep, Coke Red Eye gravy, dude. That's it. It's different, dude. Crypto Visions, if you cook it, man, let me know how it is. It's different. It really is. Like, we throw spice a lot. I mean, you know, if you went to culinary school, we throw different spices and all kind of stuff in our foods down here. So like, it's spicy, but then when you add the Coke, it kind of makes it sweet. It's like it's different, man. Definitely different. Midnight Munches streaming. We're a great mess from Mike. Oh, it's all good, man. I love me some Mike's channel. Really do. That's how I found Crypto Visions and Kyle Dean and all them. Just going in and out of chats, man. And Mike's channel is one of them that stuck out to me. So very cool people over there. Very cool people. Nestor says we from Georgia and we know about some grits. I still have to run up to the store, then found out you were live. Oh, it's all good, man. I'm about to shut it down here shortly, man. I'm about to go, actually, you accomplished your mission, Moon, and I'm about to go eat some food, man. Yeah, there's a lot of people can't tell hot from spicy, Jen. Yep, has a lot of flavor. Can't get enough of the seasoning, man. Lollipop, hey Matt, I'm new to your channel. My buddy Crypto Visions brought me here. Thank you for doing live stream for Doge for us. Cheers. Hey, thank you, Lollipop. I've seen you before in Mike's channel and in Crypto Visions channel, I believe. So, hey, thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button. You know, Doge community is very strong. Like, just the amount of support that everybody gets. And just like Crypto Visions, you know, I found him through Mike's stream and led all y'all here tonight. So I greatly appreciate it. We'll make sure to come check out y'all streams as well, man. And I was telling Crypto Visions, me and him need to get together and do a live stream together. I think that'd be really cool, man. Talk some crypto and talk some stocks, man. Yeah, just don't touch the Cheerios again, bro. I got drunk one night, ate all my kids' Cheerios when Doge was ripping to 74 cents. Dude, like, I don't know if y'all recall it, but man, I slept the week Doge ripped to 74 cents. I think I slept literally 2 hours that week. I can't wait for that stuff to get back. I cannot wait. Lollipop, you from Singapore? I got you. I've seen you before, Lollipop. Thanks for tuning in, man. Oh yeah, yeah, that definitely happened, Ghost Rider. R.I.P. Cheerios. Definitely good times. Definitely good times. But Visions, if you live, dude, I'll probably hop in there and show you some love too as well, man. Before I end up hitting the bed. But guys, thank each and every one of you for tuning in tonight. We'll be live streaming tomorrow. I hope to see y'all there. Visions, I'll be in and out checking you out too as well, man. Thank you very much for bringing your followers in here, dude. Y'all got a tight little click, and I greatly appreciate y'all. Really do. I mean, you know it, dude. It's hard growing small channels right now when the market's kind of the way it is. So it's good for YouTubers to stick together and help each other out, man. So greatly appreciate it, my friend. I will not forget it. And thank you for all the new people that came here tonight. Greatly appreciate it. And Lollipop, Ghost Rider, Wind Moon, everybody, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm going to go get me something to eat because Wind Moon has accomplished his mission to making me hungry. And I'll probably look to head over to a couple streams before I go to bed and do my little rounds, tell everybody good night. So as soon as you shut it down, I'm out the door. Well, good, man. Go ahead and start making your way to the store, man. Awesome, OMG. Glad to hear that. Really am. Oh, you about to break 1,200 watch hours? Dude, you right on track, man. You were right on track, my brother. Awesome. Yep. Thank you, Ghost Rider. Hey, you already know, Ghost Rider. Thank you. Yes, Wind Moon. I'm extremely hungry, and I'm going to destroy something in my pantry now. I'm going to destroy it. But I'll make sure to hit you up, man. See you tomorrow, Mass Market. I can support your channel. Good people need to be recognized. Thank you, Lollipop. Greatly appreciate it. Guys, that's all I got for y'all tonight. Make sure to keep track of Doge at 21.43. You get that technical breakout. You can easily shoot back up to 22 cents, but I kind of see it going back to an ascending level of support. So we'll see how it plays out, and we will be reporting back to y'all tomorrow. So greatly appreciate it, and I'll see each and every one of you tomorrow night. So peace.